No, you're doing it now. Go.
Hold on, twin. Hold on, bro. I just had surgery on my knee. bro. I just had surgery on my knee, bro.
111. On September 8, 2024, just hours before the game between the Miami Dolphins and Jacksonville Jaguars, Miami-Dade police stopped wide receiver Tyreek Hill near Hard Rock Stadium. The reason was that Hill, driving a black McLaren, was allegedly driving recklessly and not wearing a seatbelt. When the police approached Hill's car, the situation quickly escalated.
Why don't you have your seatbelt on?
Don't knock on my window.
Why don't you have your seatbelt on?
Knock on my window like that.
After Hill handed over his driver's license to the police, he rolled up his window, seemingly frustrated with their request. The police continued knocking on the window, asking Hill to roll it down so they could continue their exchange. Instead of cooperating, Hill asked to receive the ticket immediately and once again rolled up his window, refusing to engage further.
Get out! What part of blood do you understand? Hey, Drew, I'm getting arrested, Drew.
This led to a forceful reaction from the police, as one officer decided to use force to pull Hill out of the car.
Too late. All right, bro, take me to jail, bro. Do what you gotta do, bro.
We will.
Good, bro.
It is good.
Hey, Drew,
Don't worry about it. I hung up the phone. You stop crying.
bro.
Hill was pushed face down to the ground and handcuffed. During the arrest, Hill called Drew Brooks, the security director for the Miami Dolphins, to inform him about his situation. As tensions escalated, two other Miami Dolphins players, Calais Campbell and Jonnu Smith, arrived at the scene to try to assist Tyreek Hill.
Don't fall off the sidewalk.
No, bro. Then this dude here. Man, I'm already rich.
Calais Campbell, one of the players who came to help, was briefly detained but was later released without charges. Despite being treated roughly, Tyreek Hill remained calm and did not resist. While being arrested, Tyreek Hill informed the police that he had a knee injury, which was why he couldn't sit on the ground. However, instead of showing sympathy, the officer scolded him for not complying with orders and even mocked him about his injury. Despite this, Hill did not retaliate or use violence.
Thank you, man. Respect, for real. Everybody, bro.
After the tense situation, Hill was issued a court summons for reckless driving and failure to wear a seatbelt. Fortunately, he was not arrested on the spot but was required to appear in court. After the incident became public, the Miami-Dade Police Department announced that the officer who used force on Hill had been placed on administrative duty while an internal investigation was conducted. The police are reviewing the entire incident to determine if the use of force was appropriate for the situation. Meanwhile, the incident garnered media attention, especially from Miami Dolphins fans.
Wanna play some games?
111, 110.
At around 9:20 p.m. on August 26, 2024, in Muskogee, Oklahoma, a police officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle in the 1700 block of North York Street due to a malfunction. The car had a total of 4 occupants. While the officer was checking the occupants' information, they discovered that one of them had an outstanding felony warrant. The situation immediately became more serious, and the officer requested backup with another officer dispatched to the scene. When the backup officer arrived, they approached the vehicle from the rear passenger side and ordered the suspect to step out of the car. At this point, the situation turned dangerous as the officer opened the car door and the suspect turned toward them, pointing a gun at the officers. Sensing the immediate threat, the officers fired multiple shots at the suspect, striking him at least once.
No! Who got shot? No, I don't think anybody got shot. Okay. Can I just get her? Wait here for a second, bro. I gotta...
Hey, you guys sit tight. You guys sit tight. Sit tight.
What the fuck happened?
He pulled the gun on us. He pulled the gun on us.
I got that. Don't do Please don't.
Okay. Well, I'm not pointing at you right now. We're just trying to figure this out. He did.
Let's start getting wow.
Hey, I want you to do me a favor.
Although the suspect aimed his gun at the officers, he did not fire. During the officers' gunfire, none of the 3 other passengers in the car were hit, although one of them sustained a minor injury from the incident. This individual was taken to St. Francis Muskogee Hospital, but later refused treatment. The police quickly gained control of the situation and took the suspect into custody.
I'm going around get him. Watch him. If you move,
I'm not
you understand
moving.
we're
I'm
going to
not
go
moving.
with this?
I'm not moving. I'm not. It's not on me, sir.
But
I'm going to. You don't have to be.
Okay, I'm not being
I'm
forceful.
working with you. I'm working with you. I'm working
Okay.
with you. I was moving seat.
We will get, brother.
I got you. I got you. You know this stuff. I'm not moving seat.
Okay. No, I'm going to handcuff you
I
like
got you.
this.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
After being shot, the suspect, Jordan Pierce, 23, was transported to a hospital in Tulsa for treatment of his wounds. Once treated, Pierce was released back to police custody before being transferred to the Muskogee County Jail. The suspect was charged with assault and battery with a deadly weapon, in addition to the previous warrant for intentional possession of controlled dangerous substances, CDS.
I was trying to get my phone off the man. My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. I have no idea about this, guys.
I'm trying to shut up. I'm trying.
All I did was pull it out of here. I wasn't going to pull it on y'all.
That was dumb, man.
Fortunately, no officers were injured during the incident. Both officers involved were placed on paid administrative leave, following standard protocol while an internal investigation into the use of force is conducted. The investigation will review the entire event to determine whether the officers' actions were appropriate for the situation.
111, 110.
Cab car! Freeze! Freeze! Shots fired! Shots fired!
On the morning of January 12, 2023, Jimmie Shoemaker-Gonzalez, 39, carjacked a Dodge Durango in Hartford, Connecticut, after attacking the vehicle's owner with a knife, causing a forehead injury. Shoemaker-Gonzalez then drove to Farmington, where he crashed into a Department of Transportation (DOT) snowplow, lost control, and slammed into the fence of the Westwood II apartment complex. At the apartment complex, Shoemaker-Gonzalez attempted to carjack several vehicles, but successfully stole a Toyota RAV4. During the carjacking, he again attacked the vehicle's owner with a knife. Farmington police then alerted Bristol police that the stolen RAV4 was speeding toward the city of Bristol.
Don't you guys go to an event one or something like that? You can hear the radio.
At around 12:30 p.m., Sergeant Joshua Pratt of the Bristol Police Department spotted the ERAV4 and attempted to stop the vehicle. However, Shoemaker-Gonzalez accelerated and fled, eventually crashing into a guardrail. He abandoned the car and fled on foot into a residential area, but police quickly gave chase.
Bristol, he's got a cop car.
Go through it.
I'm gonna.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Go to the cop car. Go to the cop car.
Freeze! Freeze, stop!
Shoemaker-Gonzalez tried to escape by circling back and stealing Sergeant Pratt's patrol car. While driving the patrol car, he was spotted by Officer Seth Pietzing, who ordered him to stop. When Shoemaker-Gonzalez continued driving, Officer Pietzing fired 4 shots at the patrol car, hitting Shoemaker-Gonzalez in the arm and leg.
Oh, shit! Whoa, Bristol, he's got a cop car. I'm gonna.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get out of the cop car! Get out of the cop car! Freeze! Freeze, stop!
Despite being shot, Shoemaker-Gonzalez continued driving for another 2.5 miles before crashing into Palma's Diner on Stafford Street. The suspect was taken to the hospital for treatment, where tests showed he was positive for drugs and alcohol. After being discharged, Shoemaker-Gonzalez was arrested by police and faced multiple serious charges.